It's vistas like this that remind me why I love South Africa so much. As we're riding on our jeep through Johannesburg National Park, we encounter rhino, elephant, and giraffe. Our final morning, though, was dedicated to searching for lion.
How fantastic is that, everybody? The timing is absolutely perfect. Any ivory stations that can copy? No, this is the Central Pride.
This is Central.
So we saw Southwestern Pride.
Oh,
Now
okay.
I'm just looking, there's a vehicle standing there.
Ah.
It's not chatting to us on the radio.
Hey everybody, take a look at the lions.
Hier is twee Mafazi taal van die Central Pride. Is daar enige tekens verder af na julle kant toe? Was daar enige tekens van die manie? Ek kom dankie.
You won't believe what we're doing right now. We have tracked lion tracks, 2 male lions. We think there was a fight between the Eastern Pride and the Central Pride, and we are on the hunt. We're going as fast as we can to catch these lions. I hope we make it in time.
I've got the Eastern male.
We found him, we found him, we found him.
Very close to Kankan Dam. What a fantastic morning. Yeah, sorry meneer, I'm gonna get ahead of them so we can get you nice pictures, everybody. Look at that. Give me 1 second, I'll stop now. This is...
And we're gonna follow them on the road.
This is incredible. Incredible.
Charles gonna mark his territory.
Yeah, Lisa, I've got Lisa, Afisa and Leru on Kankan, heading down towards Kankan Dam. Full stomachs, lots of scars. Okay, we've called everybody, I've done my duty.
There you go.
Everybody's with the Central Pride males, we'll just stick with the 2 Eastern boys.
I like the Eastern boys.
And we've got them all sides up.
Exactly.
Here they come, my guys.
Hello, boys.
These are the Eastern boys, right?
Yeah, this is the Eastern Pride. I'm heading towards Kankan Dam. I'm the only vehicle here. They ride walking in the road, walking off-road on rhino paths, going past the front of my bull bar. We're the only vehicle here. These unbelievable stuff.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is National Geographic time.
Ja, Elisa, dit is die beste taal sighting wat ek nog in hierdie park gehad het. Ons is nou al saam met hulle vir 'n kilometer. Hierdie ouens loop net. Daar's niemand wat ons pla nie.
I still can't believe we're gonna be this close.
So the lions have just eaten, and we're thinking they're gonna get some water. So we're gonna wait here, and as they cross and get to the dam, we're gonna catch them as they have something to eat. Something to drink, rather. Yeah, that's it. They'll be coming right off the hill.
Come on, round. That's probably the trees behind you.
Patience is the name of the game. We're here at the dam, and they'll be coming just out the way in a moment. Check this out. They'll be coming right over there.
Safe marking. This is really unbelievable.
This is beautiful.
Probably Thursday walked quite a bit in church.
This is the best. Oh, the hippos, but now they went down. Like, let's go out of here.
So where's the early wake up, everybody?
No question. No.
Always right behind. We've got Kubu going closer to the tower. And then, yeah, one of the guys finished drinking. He's carrying on going now towards Tsepe side. They're walking all along the drainage line.
Check out what's the TV.
Look at that.
That was spectacular. Spectacular lion sighting. The most amazing ever. I hope you enjoyed it as well.